My passion is cooking. I love to cook and treat people, feed them. So that's how I came into this. And I agreed, rather than working outside for someone else, why shouldn't I help him and grow?
Frankly, to tell you, I did my bakery course and I learned about it, but it's not my passion. It's my livelihood, right?
In terms of our parents, they were very happy with whatever little they had that time. Now, I think whatever little we have, we are not happy with it. We want more. If you have a 10 rupees value, that 10 rupees what you have. Today the 10 rupees goes like this, right? 10 rupees ka chips aa gaya. But that time we used to think before spending that 2 rupees or 5 rupees, this is a whole month's pocket money. I tell you, there's a lot of peer pressure or competition because you see everyone is growing. Everyone wants money and the comforts are increasing, the luxuries. So that's what kids see.
Now we think about ourselves. Initially, in our parents' this thing, it was only for the children. Right now, we think more about save money for your children, but enjoy yourself also. Worst part is the credit card and all this thing, where you spend more than what you should be. वो हिंदी में कहावत थी ना, पैर उतने फैलाओ जितनी चादर है, वैसे वाला टाइप. Your spending capacity has gone up. When before you used to think 10 times, now you think 2 times before spending money. Like okay, we'll see what business is doing this, it's running, we'll see when more. Children is a major part, yes, but that all the savings are in our this thing, so that we can take care of our old age also. When we started our business, or in a business this thing, it's never easy to take out that type of money at one go. So the only other option is loans, where you pay a little bit more, yes, but you get a time period to pay it across. That's the only reason. I'm mostly dependent on my consultants. The company, it's running the
Trust
thing.
and faith is there
I
because they are
am
friends.
maybe blindly, but then I have no other choice. Because I don't have the time to go personally and see everything every day. So the consultant, whatever he gets me and he says is good or whatever. So why to take one more thing onto your head if there is somebody to manage it? I do feel stressed. Like sometimes I just want to, not come to work. Like today, let me take a holiday. But by the afternoon, I'm back over here.
I wish best education for my kids and a good life for them. If it comes to money, which makes them independent, stand on your own feet and do the best for yourself and return something to the community what you have learned.
I have enough to take care of everybody, that's it.
We don't want a BMW, we are happy with our i20. So it's just a travel in our mind, like we would take our parents out.
Enough is what we have to live a simple and nice life. Enough is not enough anytime.
Okay.
That is for sure.